TomTom Rider V5 touchscreen replacement and battery replacement. To replace the battery for the screen you need a T6 screwdriver and a T8. So check underneath, you'll have two security here patches, so they're underneath these two. On this device I don't have them, so I can see the screws. On some other devices there are two little patches here, so you need to take them off before you can open the unit. So first of all, remove all the screws. To replace the battery is not difficult. All you need to do is just take all the 6 screws off, and you can see the battery after you separate it, so it's not difficult at all to do it. But if you want to replace the LCD screen or the touch screen, you need to go a bit deeper. So, and to take the LCD screen off you will need a pry tool as well. So first of all, just take all the screws off, and after you can separate the unit. Because it has never been open, is a bit stiff, but eventually it will come off. Be careful, don't pull apart too fast, because you may damage the charging flex that goes to the motherboard. So after disconnect by lifting up this, and you can see the battery. This is a 3.7 volts Malaga battery. Just lift up and disconnect. So this is how you take the battery off. Now I need to change the touchscreen, because on this device touchscreen is not working. So I will need to take all the screws off. After you remove all the screws from the back plate, this will come off by lifting up. Now we can see the motherboard. We have 4 more screws, which we need to take off first of all, so we can disconnect the LCD screen. Okay, now it's done. Lift up and slide down these connectors to release the LCD screen. Just slide it down, don't be too rough, because you may damage this clip. And after, slide the LCD screen connector out. So this is how you take the motherboard off. In case you want to do any repairs, you can change the charging connector. So you can use same tutorial to open it. Now to take the screens off, you still need to get more screws off. And basically we take all the screws. Okay. Now you can take them apart. Okay. to take the LCD screen off from the frame, start from the top with a pry tool, slide between the LCD screen and the frame and just take it out. Okay. And this is how it's coming apart. Okay, so I can see why the touchscreen is not working. Seems it's not soldered. So I will solder this one back. Okay. Just lift this. Okay. Okay. This is now soldered back on the unit. Put the tape back on the touchscreen. Be careful with the seal, so take it off from the frame first, fit it on the screen, check if it's correctly fitted, and now come with the frame on top. Okay, I'm not happy how it sits here, so I'll try to fit it again. Okay, check the frame so the seal stays properly in place. Okay, slide the flex, put the LCD screen from the bottom. Always start from the bottom with the white edge, and after just push until you see the clips. Okay, now I know it's connected. Put it back. Start with the screws on the top. Don't put anything on these two. Don't put any screws because they are from the case. Now you can connect the motherboard, so slide it in and close. put the motherboard in place, and you have 4 more screws. Now the back plate. You need to check on the power button that is properly in place. Put more screws. If you want to replace just the battery, you can find plenty on eBay, so just check the voltage, size and shape. So the battery must be 3.7 volts, 8.14 watt per hour is what it was on the unit before, so try to get the same. Okay, there's one missing here. Connect the battery, put it back in place, and now connect the charging connection. Close it. Okay. Coming on. Okay, let's see if the touchscreen works. Still not working, so probably the best thing to do is to replace it. But this is how you open the unit and how you close it. Thanks for watching.